Well, go on again, OJ Merge. OJ Merge in the building.
Yes. Hello, Merge fam. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time coming to our channel, welcome. We hope you hit that subscribe button.
Get your merch, get advices, get certain things done. Beautiful website. We also have a Facebook community over there with, single Jamaican man over the ladies. We got all type of single men over there. We got single females over there too. So as long as you join the membership, you automatically go over to that, and it's pretty fun over there. They have it over there cracking. As I said again, you visit the website ojmerch.com, you get your merch and all of that great stuff. Alright, that is out of the way.
So in this video, we're going to be talking about reasons why you should not date a Caribbean man. Of course, everyone has heard all of the endless reasons why dating a Caribbean man is dangerous. Tread lightly, tread on the side of caution. All types of things have been spewed out. And if you don't know much about us, I, Jay, am African American, and O here is Jamaican.
Jamaica to the blood.
That would definitely qualify you as a Caribbean man.
Most definitely. Alright, so I'm going to start it off by saying one of the reasons why they say do not date a Caribbean man is because we got a lot of women. They always say Caribbean man have a lot of females, have a lot of women, and it's just a stereotype to me. I don't think it's factual. Some Caribbean man might do have a lot of women, but not all of them. You can't just generalize like that or generalize us like that. You want to shoot one there, babe?
Sure. I think that's definitely at the top of the list, that Caribbean men are womanizers, they are cheaters, they cannot be faithful, and that is a #1 reason why you should not date a Caribbean man. Another reason why people say not to date a Caribbean man is, I would say, a little control issues, possession, however you want to word that. Caribbean men are seen as controlling, possessive.
Well,
jealous.
I must say at the end of the day again, there is Caribbean man out there that is great, that is not controlling, that is not possessive, but yes, there might be some out there that are. The next reason is, they say that Caribbean men got a lot of kids. And for that one, I will say, I know a lot of Caribbean men with a lot of kids. Also, just being factual, I'm gonna keep it 100. I know some Caribbean men that have 1 or 2 kids, so that is not bad. So yeah, some Caribbean men do have a lot of kids. It's just unfortunate who you meet. You might meet a dude with a lot of kids. You might meet a dude that only got 1 or 2 kids. But ladies, remember this. A lot of men that have a lot of kids got game. It's a reason why they have a lot of kids, so they spit that game. So the Caribbean dude, the Jamaican dude, the Trinidadian dude, the Haitian dude, whichever dude it is that is pursuing you, Bayesian, ask these questions: how many kids you got? Do you got kids? For real, for real. And let me be serious with you, because men are liars at some point, but a lot of men tell the truth as well. You get it.
So yeah, decide if that's something that you could work with. Yeah. And then also remember, this does not apply across all individuals that belong to the Caribbean community.
Beautiful. A lot of people, a lot of women might say Caribbean men is always looking for something. And when I say something, meaning a green card or something else, they always say a Caribbean man have a green card. So ladies, it's okay to ask, how did you get to America? Can you travel? It's always good to ask that, because a lot of Caribbean men, I've met Caribbean men that is in that predicament, and I've met Caribbean men that have their shit together, like myself, have their shit together and are okay working their good job, doing what they do, and are some of the best citizens in society, make a lot of money rightfully, legal way, and are outstanding citizens of this country, and they're from the Caribbean. So it's a give and take again, but that's not always the truth. So never approach that Caribbean man with that thought that, oh, you might not want something, oh, you might not have no green card, oh, you might want me to do this, I might want me to do that. Not always the case. And hold on, baby, let me finish this point right here. Let me finish this point right here. It's very important. Ask that question in a certain type of way, in a good way. Never make it sound, you know, too judgmental, because that might rub them the wrong way sometimes. If they got their shit together, you come across like that, they might think, oh, so that's what you think I'm doing here? You think my feelings ain't real for you? You think I'm just looking something? And it might be offensive. Never mind the offensive, ladies. If you got to ask, you got to ask.
Everybody's situation is different. So if you are involved with a Caribbean man and he has a situation, or maybe you're just not sure of the situation, you always ask yourself what you can deal with, what works for you, and you go according to your own set of things that you're willing to deal with.
Most definitely.
Or accommodate, I should say.
One of the probably last things they always say about Caribbean men is some of them are liars. I heard people say, well, Caribbean man lying. And that's another stereotype again. I've met honest Caribbean men. I've met Caribbean men that like to tell stories. But I think people do bend the truth sometimes. But I've met, you know, Caribbean men, as I said, that have issues with telling the truth. No, sir. Me always talk truth, man.
Oh, okay. Proceed.
I've met Caribbean men that, you know, bend the truth a little bit. I've met some that are not completely honest. But I've also, you know, I know a lot of honest Caribbean men. So that's another stereotype again, you know, and that's what it is. So those are the things why they say do not date a Caribbean man. So make a note of those things and run down the list. I would say, how much was that? 5?
I think so.
5 is good. So I would say if it's just 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, I'd say give it a shot. If it's just 3.
I mean, I guess whatever your deal breakers are, you know.
Whatever your deal breakers are, leave those out.
Use your own discretion. You know what your deal breakers are. We can't tell you that, but we can help you to determine certain things. On
the next vlog, I will tell you probably 100 reasons why to date a Caribbean man. I can give you 5 not to, or 5 that I've heard not to, but I probably could give you 100 because I'm a Caribbean man. I can give you 100 reasons why you should, and that sounds kind of biased. You know, what is this one thing? Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. There are some reasons not to date a Caribbean man. Of course, we always encourage you to use your own discretion. If you check us out at ojmerge.com, you can get to know a little bit more about how we would advise you to navigate those situations if you are involved with a Caribbean man and you would like to learn more. Again, as O mentioned, if you're interested in merch similar to this, we got some new designs coming, but make sure you check us out at ojmerge.com/shop. And you got anything else?
Most definitely, and you know, we got some more things coming. We got hats, we got bodysuits, we got some things coming up that you can go over there, get your merch. And I want y'all to go to ojmerge.com, and you know, right now we perfect in the website, so I want y'all to go over there and, you know, just join the merge membership. Join that merge membership. Y'all have been rocking with me for a long while, so might as well y'all just keep on rocking with me, you know, and get some exclusivity. When I say exclusivity, I mean one-on-one chat when it comes down to certain things. Those emails that we've been getting, go over to the OJ Merge, join as a member. We'll have them tagged. So you gotta send me no email no more if you get the right package. We could deal with those. We could deal with those issues hands-on. We could talk about them. You know, I think there's video call over there too. There is video call over there too, where y'all sit down with us and y'all talk, whether you want to be on camera or not. We can have that real lifetime talk. You can sit down with your partner. We can all go back and forth. So join the membership at ojmerge.com. And as I say again, you know, OJ Merge, and we out. Big up on yourself in the merge fans. Boom.
you me lover, you me want to be my only chick. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.